Hello!
Hi, what's up?
Welcome back to our channel.
If you are a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like and share and comment if you have a comment.
So today we're going on a food tour around Vietnam. A lot of people have been asking us what the food is like here. We don't really know because we've been too scared to explore. So today in this video, that is what we're going to be doing.
So we're gonna go meet with a local guide and we're gonna walk around with him around the old quarter, which is basically like the city center, to all the street food stores and try like local food dishes and desserts and drinks and everything for the next 3 to 4 hours.
We're really excited and we'll see you guys later.
Bye!
Bye.
We're gonna try the spring roll with pork and mushroom.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. With the rice paper.
With the rice paper.
Some of the chili and some the lemon.
And chili. And in here is
Carrots.
carrots and papaya.
Yeah, papaya. How do you feel?
That's good.
We're about to have buncha at the world's most famous buncha place. Is that right?
Yeah.
This is my favorite so far.
We're about to try pho for the first time. I hope you can hear me. It's a bit noisy in here. But he ordered the Thai chin, which means it is half with well done beef. So it's half well done beef and well done beef.
This I'm assuming is the half cooked,
Yeah,
and this is more well done. That's so sweet.
Hey! We just got back from our street food walking tour in Vietnam.
Where else would we be?
We just so we went to about 5 places. We walked around for about 4.5 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
We walked around a food market, which was kind of cool but also kind of gross because everything is just like on the floor.
Like everything.
The meat is being cut up on a chopping board, but the chopping board is on the floor. And it's just like there's no packaging, there's no gloves being used, everything's just like kind of all over the place and exposed in the open air, in the pollution.
So it's not very hygienic.
Yeah.
So the market was the first place we went to. We didn't try anything there or buy anything there except for this. It was, what is it? Sticky rice and green bean. So that was one thing that our tour guide recommended that we try. So we tried some of that. Then we were off to our second destination, which was in an alleyway. There are a lot of alleyways in Hanoi. And there we tried some spring rolls. We tried 2 different kinds. It was...
So the first one had just like the raw rice paper, and the filling was pork and mushroom. And then the second one was the same thing but fried. I prefer the fried one.
I also preferred the fried one.
The rice paper one had like a weird slimy texture.
Yeah.
And then you dip it in fish sauce. They love fish sauce, like everything. You dip it in fish sauce, add fish sauce, pour fish sauce.
Fish sauce. Then we were off to our second place, which was Buncha. We've told you guys about Buncha already.
Our tour guide took us to a place that he says is like world famous, and it's like the #1 place to go to for Buncha. But we've been to 2 or 3 other places, and
Much better.
I mean, it wasn't better than what we've had before, but I think overall they all kind of taste the same.
Yeah.
Because they all prepare it. I mean, they all use the same ingredients, and it's more about the setting, like the actual restaurant that you're in, because the food is the same and it's the same price.
As we mentioned in one of the previous videos, that buncha is fried or barbecued pieces of pork meat served with a broth and papaya and carrots, and then you can add chilies and garlic, and it's served with rice noodles, thin vermicelli rice noodles, and then you can dip a salad into the broth. It's a salad to me. It has lettuce and mint leaves and coriander and like basil. So it's really tasty.
Then we had pho for the first time, and basically the broth gets its flavor from them leaving the bone from the cow to soak in overnight, and then they give you pieces of beef, either well done or half done, and you mix it with the noodles again, but like the flat version. And I personally prefer the buncha to the pho, but it was okay.
Yeah, Kim didn't really like it. I thought it was okay. The meat did lack flavor because it is just plain beef thrown in this broth with some noodles and spring onion. Yeah.
But like people in that restaurant were like going in, and they have it for breakfast, and they have like a huge bowl. Then the last place we went to was a cafe on the street. I really love how they just like set up these tiny little chairs
on the
tiny
ground,
little tables on the street, on the pavement, sidewalk, whatever, just outside of the cafe, and then people just sit there and drink coffee. They drink their coffee really slowly, like really slowly, and they sit there for hours to see everyone sitting there. It doesn't matter what time of the day, even at 10 o'clock at night, they're sitting there drinking coffee. We tried something called egg coffee. It's very famous in Hanoi specifically, and basically they use egg yolk and they mix it up with using an electric mixer, and they mix it for like, guys, I was standing there for like 10 15 minutes waiting for something to happen.
It was also very tasty. I don't know if they always do this, but they added a shot of vodka in our coffee. I don't know why. It's good though.
And then they keep it warm on the stand that has a candle underneath, and then they put chocolate sauce on top.
Yeah.
It was really good and quite affordable considering how much effort and ingredients go into it.
Okay. So my overall impression of the food in Vietnam is that it's not as weird as I thought it would be. Some things I know I will stay away from just because I know my stomach won't be able to handle some things. I'm a very picky eater. But overall it was good. Be careful where you get your food from. You have to really kind of suss the vibe out, see what the hygienic you have to see. You have to check out what the conditions are like in the space that you'll be eating in.
So I think for what we got from this tour, 3 hours and visiting 4 places. I think they overcharged us a little bit because the food was really cheap, and it's not like he was driving us around in a limo or anything, like we were just walking. So I recommend this tour for someone who's only here for maybe 2 or 3 days, but since we're here for so long, we have the opportunity to walk around ourselves and try everything, and we thought that there would be like a language barrier or some confusion about what we're eating, but it's actually really simple, and you can do it on your own.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like
and subscribe
and comment
and share.
We love you.
Love you, bye.